I'm kind of getting to the place where I'm going to be deciding what I need to get this to run. I know I need a vent, a crankcase vent here. These usually come out and run down the back of the motor here. Just a little piece of pipe, but they're made so that there's a part that fits in here, and there's a little bolt in the bottom of that goes into, or maybe not. Maybe it just slips in there and holds. It's pretty yucky down in there. Might be a bolt hole in that. I ought to clean that out. Now that I stuck my finger in there, realized how much dirt is in it. I'm gonna need these bolts. Aren't big enough to go through the bottom of the carburetor. I think there's supposed to be a carburetor plate on here, and then some bolts that go up through that. Or there's supposed to be some studs, some manifold / carburetor studs that screw into that are smaller on one end than they are on the other. And I got some major cleanup to do in here too, but I'm actually just going with what I feel like, and right now I don't feel like cleaning up, and I do feel like continuing to piece things together. So I've just been giving into it rather than fighting it. The heads are on it. What else? The heads are on it. The valves are adjusted. New spark plugs are in. They're going to need to be tightened up. I was about to mock up my plug wires here, and basically what I mean by that is, I know these are probably the longest plug wires here. So one of these will go to the front of the motor up here, and the other one, wherever the other one is this it? The other longest one will go from over here, and you're going to run underneath here because my exhaust manifolds are going to be up here. So, yeah. So might as well go ahead and get me a plug wrench and snug them spark plugs down in place. I'm pretty sure there's some other things I need to put on here too. And we'll sort that out as we go. I'm gonna need a coil. I'm gonna need I've got some points in this that may be okay. Yeah. I'll figure it out as we go along. Oh, the joy.